Levi, where are you going? Where are you going? Gonna push your little cart?
Mama?
Yes.
I found the big ones too. I found the snow too. See the little pig ones?
Mm-hmm.
See? You see the little pig ones?
Yeah.
They're so cute.
Levi. Here, you want to come get this? Stand up and get it.
You can have that all.
Are we playing a game? You gonna come get it? Come on. Come get it.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Okay. Ask him if he wants it. Say, here you go, Levi. You want to get it?
You want to get it?
Oh, don't poke him in the eye. Go around the table. Good job, Levi. Levi's a really good walker at 11 months old. Are your sleeves bothering you, Levi? Whoops-a-daisy. Good. Are you playing chase now? Izzy, that's not a good idea. Yeah, I'll come push you in a minute. Levi, what did you find?